Nigerian Secret Police Department of State Services on Friday brought over 200 thugs to court as the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, resumes. Kanu is expected to appear in the Federal High Court, Abuja, today, Friday, in continuation of his trial. Sahara reporters observed that the secret police came to the court with a truckload of thugs while denying lawyers, court workers, journalists, activists, and supporters access to the court premises. It was gathered that the thugs arrived at the court premises with clubs, machetes, gasoline, and bombs and other weapons. A source told Sahara reporters that the DSS officers had instructed the thugs to specifically target human rights activist Omoyele Sowore and attack anyone who openly shows support for Nnamdi Kanu. The DSS brought out over 200 thugs to court while denying access to lawyers and some court workers. The secret police gave access to the thugs armed with gasoline, bombs, swords, machetes, and clubs, one of the sources told Sahara reporters. Another source noted that they cited a DSS officer meeting with the thugs and passing instructions to them. An elderly DSS official working with the police men in Mufti from the Federal Secretariat Police Station met with the thugs this morning in front of Abia House around the court, the source said. They gave instructions to the thugs to fight anyone who openly demonstrates in support of the IPOB leader. The officer told them to specifically target human rights activist Omoyele Sowore, who has regularly attended the court trial and had been frequently violently attacked by government agents within the court area. Sowore has been attacked in the presence of DSS and police officers many times on the court premises while the secret agents look on. Though Sowore has repeatedly asked for justice regarding the multiple assaults, none of the thugs has been arrested or charged to court by the police. The Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, FHC in Abuja, Justice John, had released a new practice direction for the trial of terrorism suits before the court, such as the case of Nnamdi Kanu. Justice John stated that the new practice direction is in the exercise of his constitutional powers as contained in Section 254 of the Constitution of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. The Federal High Court on Thursday stated this in a directory referred to as Practice Directions on Trial of Terrorism Cases, obtained by Sahara reporters. By the new directive, the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria, Justice Thúg, further noted that the distance and size of perimeters to secure for the trial shall be determined based on the recommendations of security agents in a case-by-case basis. It's okay. Everybody is seeing now that the DSS is responsible for all the thuggery and evil happening in our land. Everybody is saying that Buhari government has no case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that is the reason why they have decided to try him secretly. If people fail to speak now, they should forever remain silent when the consequences of their action will begin to emerge. Muhammadu Buhari is a disaster to humanity. Under his watch, justice has been denied, the freedom of speech has been buried, death and hardship has increased. Shame to this government, to every supporters of injustice in this administration called APC. They can never see anything good. Whether we like it or not, Nnamdi Kanu remains the only and powerful force fighting against Fulanization of this country, and they know why. This is the reason why they want this man, crippled, because he has exposed so many things. That is the reason why he's being hated. The more you hold this man, the more events unfolding in Nigeria. Just keep supporting his claims. Referendum is the only way out. Biafra is the only answer. Okay, that is the only thing they are good at. Intimidating armless citizens. Call them on phone about the herdsmen, bandit attacks. You won't see them, but plan a protest before you get to the venue. The police, the DSS, Nigerian army will first to occupy the area. This is really very, very unfair. The DSS should not ignite chain of killing in the country. If any supporters of the accused is attacked, I fear retaliation in other zone, which might set the country on fire. I forget there is no intelligent man remaining in DSS. Nobody have monopoly of violence. Okay, God must punish all these fellow citizens that are receiving money from the regime to beat fellow citizens for no reason. Okay, these are people who are saying that they are the one that keeps law, the law-abiding citizens. The same people are the one carrying thugs. What are we talking about? Is now telling this action now telling us that this government is responsible for all the evil happenings in this country, because they know where to get these people. Yeah, so they know them very well. They know these dogs very well. They know how to get them. But this is really very, very shameful that the government is involving herself in such with such people. So guys, what's your take? Let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts with us below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye for now.